Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the daily activity goals on your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch tracks three metrics: how much you move, exercise, and stand. The default settings are a good place to start when you're trying to get healthier, but sometimes you want to give yourself a bit more of a challenge by adjusting them. We'll look at doing this on the Apple Watch. First, open the Activity app. If it's not on your home screen, press the digital crown on the side of your watch, and inside of here, find and choose Activity. Here's where you'll find your goals. At the top, you'll see the status in ring format. Scroll down and then you'll see your current activity levels, the goals, and the percentage done. To change the goals for each activity, scroll all the way to the bottom, and once there, tap Change Goals. Starting with the move goal, adjust it to where you'd like. This is counted in calories. When you're ready, hit Next. Next, you have your exercise minutes goal. Again, adjust that if you'd like, and then hit Next. And finally, you have your stand goal. You can then set how many hours that you'd like to challenge yourself to stand for. You can adjust any of these goals, or if you'd like to keep them the same, just leave them and hit Next. Once you're finished, hit OK. It will then change your daily activity goals that you've set for yourself. And that's how you adjust your daily activity goals on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.